How to delete a single chat on DeepSeek. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek app. Log into your account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find two lines on top left corner of your screen. Click on two lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll find all your chats. To delete single chat, hold on to the chat and you'll find delete option pop up. Simply click on delete again and you're good to go. As you can see, there is no single chat in here. It's deleted, and this is how to delete a single chat on DeepSeek. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.